Paying customers who are not receiving value from your product always represent your biggest churn risk. I'm going to show you a couple of workflows, a calculated property, and a pipeline to identify those at risk accounts and proactively engage them to reduce churn. So, here we're looking at a ticket pipeline which shows the stages of our customer journey. And you'll notice that we have this health score, which we're identifying, green, ready to upgrade, healthy accounts, at risk accounts in red, and then renewal accounts in yellow. And the way that we're doing that is we have this calculated property, which you can call it a health score. We call it a plan utilization score, which is essentially taking the number of team members that we expect to be on an account based on the number of team members that that account has paid for in that plan versus the number of teammates or team members who have actually been invited and are using the product. We're dividing that and giving this a percentage so that we can then use that in another workflow to identify the plan utilization number for any given account. And if we meet this threshold of 50%, in this case, we're using that as the enrollment trigger to create a customer facing success plan, make that plan available as a property, and create a task for our internal team member to go and reach out to that account, figure out what's going on, and get them back on the path to success. The other thing to mention here is how we're creating this nice colored score. So we have another workflow that is looking at the difference between the number of team members paid for and the number of team members who are active and calculating that score. And then depending on the threshold that has been reached for that score, if it's above 90%, we're saying it's green. If it's between 50 and 90%, we're saying it's yellow. And if it's below 50%, we're saying it's red. We're just setting the property equal to this emoji, which is the little hack for getting some color in those properties and showing them off in your account to make it really easy to identify what status any given account is in.